What's up, you guys? It's your boy 555 Kareem back with another video. And today we have, holy crap. And today we have some pickups. So we have a few pickups, you guys. This is like an accumulated haul. So you guys, this is an accumulation of things. This is like some things I bought, a few PR, well, only one PR and the rest I bought. So let's just jump right into it. So I think I'm gonna do this like cheapest item to the most cool, like less cool to the most cool. I wonder if my camera looks, I'm doing like this auto ISO thing with my camera today, so I'm not adjusting it, I'm letting it adjust itself. I don't know, but I'm starting off with less hype to the most hype. And the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys are these PUMA Inverse sneakers. I got these sent to me from PUMA. I did like a PUMA campaign sometime in February and they gifted me these sneakers and they're so cool. These are like very nostalgic to me. They remind me of like Spider-Man, but I think these are so cool. They're also super comfortable as well, you guys. I wear these as like my everyday, my lighting is always super crazy. I wear these as like my everyday sneakers and I think they're so freaking cool. So this is the first thing that I want to show you guys. They're so freaking dope. Shout out to PUMA. Thank you for sending these over. All right, you guys. So the next thing that I'm going to show you, I got these glasses. So as you guys can see, I have on, I'm sweating because I don't know why I'm sweating, but I have on these tinted sunglasses. I've been into like tinted shades lately and I picked up these Gentle Monster, these Gentle Monster like red tinted shades. I got these from a secondhand shop in DC and I only paid like 70 bucks for them and I think they're really cool. I wore these in Paris a lot. I'm like really into like tinted frames. All right, you guys, we're back. So here go the frames on my face and they have like a round frame. I said round frame, a round body. I don't even know what this is called. I guess a round frame with like little skinny lenses. I love the skinny lenses with the red tint. These are like definite vampire vibes. These are a definite 10 out of 10. I wear these a lot. If you guys haven't noticed, I've been like super obsessed with tinted sunglasses. They've been my favorite. Oh, and I also got to show you, I also picked up another pair of tinted sunglasses. I got these from New York from like another little vintage shop. These are like a purple tint ones. These are very 90s. I really like these as well. I've been wearing these a lot in my videos. They're so freaking cool. So picked up these really cool tinted sunglasses. These are so dope. I paid $70 for these and I paid like 60 bucks for these, so love these. All right, you guys, so a lot of the things that I've been getting, if not everything that I buy, like all of the clothes that I buy are secondhand. Pretty much everything that I buy is secondhand, but I did some shopping on the RealReal and I've also been like obsessed with black and leather. You guys know I'm making like a custom DIY. Well, if you follow me, you've already seen my DIY leather jacket. If you're watching this YouTube video, I probably posted it before this, so you should really go check it out. But I made this custom studded leather jacket and I was looking for something to wear with it. The jacket is 100% real leather, so I was like, what can I wear with this? So I was on the RealReal searching like leather pants and just like leather clothes and I found these. These are some really cool Who Decides War 100% leather shorts. And you guys, look at like how the leather is like crushed or like scrunched up. These are so cool and these are like 1,000. These are like, hold on, these are some $1,200 shorts and I got them for $200 on the RealReal because you know the RealReal is secondhand consignment. Somebody probably was just like they didn't want them and they didn't wear them. They're new with tags, so they was just like they wanted to get rid of them and sell them. And I was like, I can pick these right up off you for $200. You know, you can't beat 100% 100% real leather, who decides war name brand designer shorts that are $1,250 and only getting them for $200. Like, that is a major steal. Like, that is a major steal, no other way around it. And these are a 10 out of 10 pickup. Like, these are so freaking fire, you guys. They have pockets, perfect for the spring, perfect for the summertime. I'm gonna be wearing these like all spring, summer, so yeah, prepare to be sick of me. All right, you guys, so this next pickup is a new fragrance that I just got. Can you guys focus, camera? Yeah, so this is a fragrance that I just caught. It's a Comme des Garçons fragrance. It's called Incense Evian Series 3, if I'm saying that right. I probably butchered that whole name, but here is the name of it. Let me show you guys the bottle. I got this from ESSX New York. I paid like $150 for it, but you guys, this smells so freaking good, you guys. Like, this smells like my whole dark grungy aesthetic is this scent right here. This scent smells so freaking good. I would definitely recommend you guys go checking it out. I think they sell it at like a lot of places, but yeah, you guys, go check this one out. Also, you guys, look at my cool new nails that I got done. They're camouflage. Next up, I got sent some PR from Takashi Murakami. Shout out to the fam over at Fanatics for hooking me up with a Takashi Murakami MLB Tokyo Series 2025 jersey. This was like an insane pickup right here. This is an insane PR package. I'm so thankful that I'm able to get sent stuff like this. This is the box, so you guys on YouTube can see. It has the Takashi Murakami cherry blossoms on the box. It's so freaking dope. Then inside, it's just the Fanatics box right here, and let me show you the jersey. So this is the MLB Takashi Murakami collab jersey for the Cubs team, and you guys, it is so freaking sick. These are all like patches that are on the jersey. Nothing is printed on, you guys. A lot of people was asking me in the comments, was it printed? No, these are all patches, the Takashi Murakami patches. This is a definite collector's piece right here, and I'm so thankful that I was able to get sent one. Shout out to Fanatics, shout out to MLB, shout out to Takashi Murakami for really hooking me up. This is like true GOAT status right here. Like, and yeah, you guys, this is the jersey. It's super freaking nice quality, and I'm so freaking obsessed. And you guys, the last of the pickups, you know, the big Balenciaga, and oh, they're not even in here. Oh, they're over there. They're over there. Hold on. All right, we got them, you guys. The last of my pickups haul, these Balenciaga Strike boots. So you guys, I was on the search for like the perfect pair of like spring summer boots. It was between these boots, the Balenciaga Stomper boots, a pair of Rick Owen boots, and another pair of Rick Owen boots, and like the prices were all like extremely crazy. So I was searching on the RealReal one day, and I seen this pair of Balenciaga Strike boots for only $600, and these are a pair of like $1,300 boots. So right when I seen them for that price, I was like, I can't beat this price, and I got them because, you know, like that's half the price, like $600 from $1,300. You can't really beat that. So I got them, and then I was like on the iffy side, but when they arrived and like me looking at them in person, like these look so good. So I don't regret my purchase. This was a 10 out of 10 pickup for an unbeatable price. And yeah, you guys, these are the Balenciaga Strike boots. These are so freaking insane. These are like my best pickup of the month. My camera's doing like weird lighting things, I don't know, but yeah, you guys, these are the Balenciaga Strike boots. Let me know what you think about them down below in the comments, and that's pretty much everything with this haul. Thank you guys for watching. If it wasn't for your views and support, I wouldn't be able to make these videos, get sent these really cool PR packages. So really shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for viewing. Thank you guys for leaving comments, and like, let me know what was your favorite piece from the haul down below in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and yeah, you guys, peace out.